Yes lads, so welcome back to another video. Heading down to my work again. It's a Saturday and we're going to fit my decat. Now I don't know what it's going to be like to fit, and I don't know whether it's going to make it louder or not, but we'll find all that out when we do it. My initial thought is that it's going to be a pain to get the cat out because of the aircon pump that's below it, but we'll see. We'll have a go at it, get everything undone, see if it comes out. If not, I'll just cut it in half and get it off. But yeah, I'm going to drive down to my work now and then we'll head straight into the video of taking it off. Lads, I'm struggling. I can't get the two bolts off that connect the decat to the rest of the exhaust. It's on the top. I just need to do the bottom. They're on there. Like they're welded. Right lads, so I finally got those two bolts off and fucking yeah. That was stuck in there, got to get that out. But yeah, nearly there. Just need to get the decat. Just need to get the cat out now and then put the new one back in. Big boy Luke's here to help me. Thanks, pal. Right off. Take the heat shield off as well, you don't need that for a new one, pop that off. And we'll get the new one on. Right lads, so I finally got it on. Looks good, just need to start it, see if it's running properly. Right lads, so I just drove home and it is too loud. Like, I'm really debating putting my box back on because it is way too loud. as I'll show you in a minute. I've got some clips to show you, but it is stupid loud, so I don't know whether I'm gonna keep the decat, but I don't know whether I'm gonna keep my back box delete or not. I might put my old back box back on because it is so loud. It's annoying me already, and I've only just done it. Right lads, so I'm going to end the video there. Thanks for watching, hope that helped some of you. Just drop a like, subscribe, and my next video will probably be of this being stage 2, but I'm not sure yet. I might do some stuff in between, depends how much money I have, to be honest. But anyways, I'll see you soon.